Hey guys, this is Qwark with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we completed the planet of Hoven, and so this time we're going to be going to the Ultanus orbit in order to explore a base that is housed by Chairman Drek. So I will see you guys when we get there.
It is time to begin your new assignment.
Ah, a photo op by your shiny new shuttle. Terrific idea.
Oh, you really are an idiot.
What?
You are to take that shuttle to the moon base and ambush those two miscreants when they arrive.
Oh, yes. Who are they again?
Those two!
Oh, of course. There is just one problem. I'm,
Too washed up for ground combat? True. That is why I will be loading you my starfighter. You can still fly, can't you? It's settled then. You will acquire the starfighter once you get to the moon. Screw this up, and the endorsement deal is off!
But that would ruin me. You wouldn't.
Try me.
I did not see Drek's ship. We must have missed him.
Who knows where Qwark is now? If we're gonna catch those two, we need a faster ship.
Perhaps this space station will supply the ship we need.
Well, we're here. Let's go check it out.
Alright, let's check the Gadgetron hidden, and we got nothing new, so the Visibomb gun is going to be our main priority. So, yeah, so pretty much everything we've done in the past few planets has led up to this. We've got we got our magnet boots, we got our O2 mask. Pretty much we have everything ready for us to go ahead and move on with this area. So, we checked the map. Pretty straightforward area, even though it looks kind of large.
Those pulsing towers control the force field. In order to knock them all out, you're going to need the Gadgetron Devastator or the Visibomb.
Okay, so we actually need the Devastator for this area. So, let's first let's break open these crates, and we will break these towers. Hopefully they will supply us with enough Devastator ammo. Oh, okay. Not a ammo. Alright. Yeah, I really like the Visibomb gun, it's just we don't have enough money for it, so let's continue to break open all this stuff and yeah. I guess something I could talk about is I've been binge watching a lot of Dragon Ball, as I stated in one of my previous episodes. It's fun. I like it. Alrighty. Yeah. Use the trespasser here. Yeah. going fun. I like it. And like I think I've said before, I like Goku a lot more in Dragon Ball, since he's a kid and doesn't know anything, versus an adult who doesn't know anything. And that kind of ticked me off most about Goku, and I really didn't like him in Dragon Ball Z for that. And therefore Dragon Ball Super as well. But yeah, Dragon Ball's going good, and I'm looking to, after I finish Dragon Ball, well, I'll be going to college first and foremost, so I'll need to focus a lot on schoolwork, but I also want to watch a little bit of anime while I'm there, so that way I'm still having fun. And oh, there we go. So I'm thinking, I've got a queue lined up. I've got Kill la Kill, My Hero Academia, hold on a second. Sorry about that, I had a phone call. Anyway, yeah, like I was saying, I've got a few things queued up. I've got Kill la Kill, I've got Bleach, I've got My Hero Academia, I've got JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. I forget the other ones I got right now, but if you guys have any recommendations for me, I wouldn't mind watching it. I'm gonna try and get caught up with One Piece, since I've been watching that for the past, oh god, how many years? 16 years, I believe. Okay, good, because I need that. Yeah. So I'm in the, trying to think, when it comes to One Piece, I am in the, oh Jesus, I'm in like the 100s, or no, not the 100s, I'm in the 900s in terms of the episode numbers. I'm really close to catching up. I'm really excited because just the fact that since I've been watching it for over a decade makes me want to get caught up with it even more. Just because it's, if I'm not mistaken, is it the longest running anime of all time? Like, I'm wondering that. Leave me a comment if it is. And if it isn't, still leave a comment, because I like talking with you guys. And hearing from you. So, yeah. Anyway, just making our way through. Let's see, where are we at? Almost halfway through. Okay, I'm gonna open some of these boxes. Just for that time. Good. Going in. So 2 boxes that I could have showed over here. And the list. So, just moving on. Oh, wait a second. But, yeah. So, like I said before, I don't know what you guys consider an anime fan, but I watch a few different animes, and, I like it, but my main calling is comic books. That's what I'm going to college for. I'm going to be a comic book writer. And, I can't wait to get started. The feeling really hasn't hit me yet. Like, you know, there's times where you're about to do something and you don't really realize it until like it's just about to happen. Like the pastor at my church, he's about to get married, and he said that at his church bachelor party the other night, and I'm really happy for him. I not only look at him as a pastor, but I also look at him as a friend. And he's a pretty cool guy. We've been watching all the Marvel movies together, and that's fun. Just getting him to experience the world that I love, and he talks about God and church on Sundays, and so I get to experience the world that he loves. So it's kind of sharing our interests with each other. It's pretty cool. He might not be able to do it as much when he gets married, but but yeah, it's pretty fun. Can I shoot those? Oh, well, listen here. Do I gotta heal him? Yeah. Good boy. Holla at your boy. Alrighty, where are we at now? Okay. We're almost halfway there. I think I said that last time. I think we are halfway there now. But, get over here. These boxes. Is there anything else over here? Oh, we got two-way street. Well, actually, it's not so much a two-way street as it is, as it is a barrier. But since there's a Gadgetron vendor right here, I think we're gonna end it off here. So, next time on Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we'll be going ahead and going through this factory and see what all this place has to offer to us.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great day.